In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a program called the TCP Optimizer, and what this does is it improves your internet's sort of packets, netcode, and internet netcode. And basically it works by changing all of your network card settings for you, and all you really need to run it is sort of the overall number of your internet speeds. So you're going to need to benchmark that, and I'll show you how to do that. So download the TCP Optimizer and get that on your desktop, because we're going to be needing that shortly. You can run it for now, and you'll see a bunch of numbers and stuff on here, and this is sort of the main one at the top here that really changes everything. Your connection speed, which is measured in kilobits per second, not kilobytes, kilobits. And you can go to this website over here and type in speed test in Google, and your first result will be the speed test. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit a close location, and you're going to benchmark that, and it's going to tell you what your optimal download is and what your optimal upload is. And we'll wait for that to benchmark, and it will give us the results, and then we can just turn around and plug it into this program. Alright, so here are my numbers. I have 7.51 megabits download per second, and for upload I have 0.51 megabits per second. So we're going to use the download number, so 751, so that would be somewhere around here. And what you want to do is hit optimal settings and make sure your network card is selected, and then hit apply settings. It's going to ask you to change a bunch of stuff, and this is exactly what the program does. You hit OK, and then it'll ask you to reboot the computer. Now I've already done that, so what you want to do is hit yes, and I'll hit no. And once you've done that, you can come back and you can run the latency test. You might want to run the latency test beforehand and the latency test afterwards. And all this does is basically take a bunch of pings to various websites and give you an average ping as well as your maximum and minimum ping, as you'll see right here. So my average is 119 milliseconds, and that's with the settings I have, and that's pretty decent. Some people have slightly better, some people have a bit worse to much worse. And I hope that this program really helps you improve your network ping. I know for games, and for me with games, I would say it improves my ping by about 5 to 10 milliseconds. It's nothing major, but it's sort of an extra boost that gives you a bit of a competitive edge. And with that in mind, take care.